didn't.
So how did Sanjay Leela Bhansali Sahab find you?
हमने casting director को call किया. हमने 15 महीने. There's a friend of mine, Tushar. God bless his soul. He has passed away. All right, but he was the fortitude or the pillar in my life. Right. After my mom, literally in Mumbai, it was Tushar, Tulsidas Naik. All right. My prayers are always with him and his family. But he stayed in touch with the casting director for 15 months. Right? ये ताज हो रहा था, सब कुछ हो रहा था, सब ठीक है. But 15 months. Finally she said ठीक है, ले ले. Right? तो फिर उन्होंने मुझे 3 दिन का रोल दिया था मुझे हीरा मंडी में. And that's when I said ठीक है मैं कर लूँगा क्योंकि मुझे संजय सर के साथ काम करना है. संजय सर is literally God in our field. Right? तो मैं कुछ भी करूँगा उनके साथ काम करना है. ठीक है. I passed that round. I got selected. I even signed the contract. फिर संजय सर ने मुझे कॉल किया. संजय सर ने कहा कि क्या क्या किया तूने. तो आई टोल्ड हिम माई करियर ग्राफ. फिर उन्होंने कहा कि तूने तो बहुत काम किया है पर कोई तुझे जानता नहीं है. तो ओके ये भी ठीक है. यू नो आई एम ट्राइंग. ही सेड गुड. इसको ये रोल मत दे, इसको बलराज का रोल दे. तो उन्होंने मेरा जो रोल है उन्होंने चेंज करके तब्दील करके उन्होंने मुझे 30 दिन का रोल दे दिया जो बलराज का था, जो ताजदार का बेस्ट फ्रेंड था. ठीक है. आई सेड ग्रेट. आई वेंट फॉर द लुक टेस्ट, पास दैट. पर मुझे कुछ कॉल नहीं आया. तो फिर 9-10 दिन बाद मैं कुछ कॉन्ट्रैक्ट साइन करने जा रहा था. मुझे कॉल आता है उनके ऑफिस से कि सॉरी सर ने आपको मतलब ही थिंक्स दैट you're not for this role, so he's cancelled this for you. तो मुझे लगा कि भाई अच्छा कुछ मिलने वाला है, पर नहीं हुआ. Again, understand, rejection is a part of this game, right? Every day you're going to get rejection. So ठीक है, I swallowed that. I went to him. I could only do one thing, so I begged him. I begged him कि sir, please, if there's anything, अगर मैंने गलत किया है आप मुझे बता तो दीजिए. I'll try and change it. अगर मैं चेंज नहीं कर पाया तो आप मुझे निकाल दो, कोई बात नहीं, प्लीज़ एक मौका दीजिए. और he was very kind. He said better bet. So I sat down and then he was very very kind and he said कि I saw your look test. तूने बहुत अच्छा किया है, कुछ तो है तेरी आंखों में. I want you for the lead role of my show. And that's how I got Tajdar.
Wow. Wow. I'm so glad that you're here today because I think, you know, when you're promoting a show, you yourself don't know कि हम कितना बोल सकते हैं. But now in hindsight, I think there's a little time that's passed. The story has come alive, yeah. The story has come alive. And I think story तभी मायने रखती है जब successful होती हैं चीज़ें, है ना? है ना? I do know that the journey's been very long for you because you've been around for a while. But isn't it crazy how fickle, you know, the world is? The same boy, the same talent has been around for so long. How do you see that? Because I know that you have a bit of a philosophical bent of mind. I know you're a reader, you read a lot. And I know that today you're going to leave us with some book recommendations as well.
Okay.
Yes, and you must. But how do you perceive that?
So fickleness or anything, this is just how life is. You know, if there was a book on life, then this would be one of the main chapters where people's and thoughts are fickle, right? You can run away from home, people not accept what you become. All of a sudden you become this hit actress or hit actor. हम तो जानते थे ये कुछ करने वाला. Immediately, it can be opposite your religion, it can be opposite anything. You're offending everybody in your whole village. But as soon as you become successful, everything is forgotten, right? Because, and my father told me this, that there is no success like success. Success will redefine and give meaning to things which never had meaning. For example, जब मैं शुरुआत में जब मैं था यहाँ पे 5-6 साल पहले, 8 साल पहले, तो उस वक्त मेरे जो एक्टिंग टीचर थे, गुरु थे, डॉक्टर दास, तो उन्होंने मुझे कहा कि जब भी आपको स्क्रिप्ट मिलती, मतलब जब भी आपको एक नरेशन मिलता है, ऑलवेज आस्क फॉर द स्क्रिप्ट सो दैट यू कैन अंडरस्टैंड द स्क्रीन प्ले, यू कैन अंडरस्टैंड लॉट मोर थिंग्स. कैसे लिखा है, अगर लिखा ही सही नहीं है तो वहाँ पे क्या दिखाओगे. आई आस्क फॉर द स्क्रिप्ट. और फिर लोगों ने कहा अच्छा मेरे से स्क्रिप्ट मांगेगा, अच्छा, you know, but nothing wrong in asking for it, really. Nothing wrong. These are rights, given rights. It's your story, please tell me, I'm reading it. But people take it to their ego. And what happens because of that is that many of the actors stop asking, right? And then they're like, हाँ ठीक है मैं कर लूँगा. But you don't know anything. And you take the wrong steps. This was the right step and I stuck to it. Now, when I ask somebody, they're like, he's very professional. बहुत professional आदमी है, you know, he reads. बहुत एक्टर से एक्टर नहीं पढ़ते, ये पढ़ता है. I mean, I was the same guy. I asked the same thing. It's just that some success hit you, and now people view you very differently, or people view your the words that come out of your mouth very differently. Hiramandi will not. Hiramandi is. You cannot just say that is your success. It's the journey of 14 years. That is success. That you stuck on. That you never gave up. That you held on till the last nail. Right. That is a pat on your back. All right. And anybody who does that, you guys have to pat yourself, because trust me, nobody else is going to come and pat your back. Pat your back, and you keep giving hope to yourself.